This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to zoom in on Google Chrome. So you want to zoom in or out on Google Chrome. I'm right here on Google Chrome. I just have a this random kind of Google Doc right here, just some random text I found online just for the purposes of this video. So if you're on Windows, you're going to use Control and then the plus sign in order to zoom in, or the minus sign to zoom out. If you're on a Mac like I am, and I'll show you that right now, you can use the Command key. So you hold Command and then you zoom in by pressing the plus key, just like that. So you see that's out, that's in, out, out, shake it all about. You can do that as many times as you want. If you don't have, you don't want to do it on a keyboard for whatever reason, you can do it directly in the browser. So you come up to the top right here, we have the three dots on top of each other, the universal more symbol, and you'll see that you literally have the zoom in and out options right here. So you can literally just like click that there and get your preferred, you know, if you're hard of sight or something, you can zoom right in. I think you can go quite wild, and you can go this far, maybe even further. You can go even further. I don't know why you'd want that, but you can do that if you want to improve the accessibility on Chrome. Let's zoom out again to 110%. That's how to do it. These three little dots right here, and you get your zoom in, and whatever you apply there will stay wherever you move around on the browser, whether you're on this page or another page. And then, like I say, you do have those keyboard shortcuts on Windows and Mac as well, like I showed you at the start. So that was a very short, straightforward video on how to zoom in and out on Google Chrome. If you found this video useful, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.